Today I'm going to take Constitution. Regarding Constitution, I'm taking fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are enshrined in the Constitution. It is the bulwark of democracy. There are 6 fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution. 6 fundamental rights. Formally, there are 7 fundamental rights, and right to property was deleted from or amended from fundamental right. Now there are only 6 fundamental rights that is being explained in the previous class. I am pinpointing the important articles which will be asked for the examination. Which will be asked for the examination. Part 3 of the Indian Constitution, Article 12 to 35, deals with the fundamental rights. And if it is infringed, we can go to a court of law. And first of all, a right to equality. I shall mention only the important articles that can be asked for the examinations. Article 14, equality of law or equal protection within the territory of India. That is Article 14. Article 15, prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of religion, caste, color, creed, sex, etc. Article 16, equality of opportunity in matters of employment. Then, very important article, Article 17, that is abolition of untouchability. Article 17, abolition of untouchability, normally being asked. 18 is also being asked. Article 18, that is abolition of titles. No honor must be given except military honor. That is Article 18. The second one is right to freedom. Right to freedom. Article 19, protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech, etc. And Article 20, protection in respect of conviction for offences. And 21, protection of life and liberty. Protection of life and liberty, personal liberty. That is very important, that can be asked. Then 22, protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. That is Article 22. Then, third right is right against exploitation. That is also very important. Article 23, prohibition of traffic in human beings. Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Forced labor is prohibited. Then 24, prohibition of employment of children in factories. Prohibition of children of employment in factories, etc. Prohibition of employment of children of factories, etc. That is Article 24. Then, right to freedom of religion. That is right to freedom of religion, fourth right. and some questions will be asked, and 25 is important. We have freedom of conscience to profess and practice any religion. A freedom to profess and practice any religion. That is called a 25th. 26, freedom to manage religious affairs. Freedom to manage religious affairs. Then 28 is significant. Freedom as to attendance, a religious instruction or religious worship in certain educational institutions. In education institutions, we can have the right to have this religious teaching that is being mentioned. Then cultural and educational rights. Article 29, protection of the interest of minorities. Protection of the interest of minorities, very important. 29. Then 30, Article 30, right to minorities to establish and administer education institutions. Right of minorities to administer and establish educational institutions. And Article 31 was deleted, and that is right to property, that was deleted and inducted as legal right in Article 300A. Article 300A. Then Article 32, right to constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies. Remedies for enforcement of rights conferred by this part. Part 3, Article 12 to 35 deals with the fundamental rights, and that can be enforced by a court of law. We can use Article 32 to enforce our rights if it is being violated by going to Supreme Court. By 226 we can go to High Court for enforcing our rights. Anyway, these fundamental rights is very important, and it is taken from the American Constitution. It is taken from the Constitution of the USA. And I also wanted to pinpoint Article 19, which is called a crux. It is very important. Article 19, that is related to right to freedom. There are 6 rights. There are 6 rights in Article 19. First one is freedom of speech and expression. Second one is freedom of assembly. Third one is freedom of association. Fourth one is freedom of movement. And fifth one is freedom of settlement. We have the right to settle anywhere in India. It is called a freedom of settlement. And sixth one is to practice any profession, occupation, trade or business. That also must be studied. That is very important. I am pinpointing only the important articles of the fundamental rights, and this will be asked. You will get some questions from this and you must answer it. Okay, thank you. Let us call it a day.